Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia has been traveling from country to country. She's now in her third country in less than a week, and she's having so much fun. She went to the carnival in the UK where she met up with Chris and his husband, and now she's in Belgium, where she's having fun as well. It's like a whole new thing. Her friend, they're enjoying themselves, and it's a whole lot of fun. Wherever Marcia is, it's fun. So we know. Watch the video, like, share, and subscribe, and comment.
Present. I what? Okay. Hello? No, the phone is not working. I'm calling, but it's going straight to voicemail. No, I mean, where you sent me to meet you? Huh? I'm ready. Didn't you say we're standing by the palace? Uh-huh. From the hotel? No, the phone is not working, so we have to make sure that we meet up at a land point. Yeah. By what street? Okay. Hold on. Let me get my other phone. Yeah, give me an address. Okay. Okay, what send a text message. Uh, L. Okay, hold on. N as in Nancy. Okay. What is it called? N collection? No, what is no, just tell me let me just see if we can record it. It's okay, N all that NH collection Brussels Center. So N as in Nancy, H as in house, right? Collection. I walk hard up on the phone. So it's NH Collection, Brussels. So how far are you from the palace? Huh? NH Collection, Brussels. Brussels Center. NH Collection, Brussels Center. Okay. Okay. All right. Hello, people. How are you doing? Who call me? Always calling me. I have to, me know, I came, we're in Brussels now, so I go sleep. You see, my friend, she love to go walk. As she come and drop her suitcase, she gone about her business. No, not me. Me have to get my rest because I wake up early, me sleep deprived. But she have to, as she drop her suitcase, she gone about her business. Me not used to them or something. She used to them or something. And she got about her business. So I tell her to go ahead, left me. So now she's there, she's calling me, give me the address so we can meet up. So that's what happens. You understand? Because me, I forget my rest. You see, Europe, there's a lot of train and all kind of ackling and in the subway, however you call them, it's not easy. You understand? You have to move fast, you have to take a lot of train to go. Because if you take taxi, it's going to be like a lot of money. You understand? $80, $70, $60. So you try to take train and go to the nearest point to where you're going. And once you get to the nearest point, sometimes your hotel is like walking distance from a train station. Depends if you take one. Like when you go to the central station and you have to go to another train station, sometimes it's like 5 train stop to your hotel. And then maybe hotel around the corner. So you try to go to the nearest train station that take you to your hotel and then to cut down the $60 or $70 or $80, and then you can go wherever you need to go. So that is the thing. So me I go meet her out there, so to where like inside the town where little bit things are happening. Cause not happen around us so. Around us so it's like a little working district. You understand? And the weather is nice around here. The weather is nice in Brussels. Even though a breeze a blow, but the weather is nice. You understand? This morning it was kind of hot. I don't know the temperature is going to be right now, but that's how it is. So here says not really a tourist attraction part. This is more like hotels and business place and apartment and, you know, like in this area right here. So I'm going to go meet up with her. We ain't come back until then. So that's what it is. And what time is it? Yeah, I'm enjoying my fabulous vacation. Yes, that's right. So I am going to go now and go tour a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do. Not because it's kind of a little chilly. I mean, so I not carry my little sweater with me. But me have to get the rest, Baba. Me sleep deprived. Me not lie to you. Them a time me sleep deprived. Me not lie. Enjoy it not. I am sleep deprived, honey child. Where is my charger? So me can... Oh, where's the charging port?